Hello, this is a tutorial on how to build a set. First we begin by creating lines, and we can make something that goes beyond the camera, which you see this box represents. So as you see, I'm drawing lines, and this will be like our set. I fill it green so it looks like little hills. Okay, now you want sky, you can just draw something large enough that if you were to move your camera around, you'd be able to slide from one side to the other. So you can have literally a scene happen right here, another scene happen here, and another scene happen here, and use the whole entire same set. Alright, so say you want a tree, you might start another layer and just call this first one backdrop or background, whichever you prefer. So in tree, we'll just create a tree right here. Choose another color, kind of green, so it's not boring and using the same color as the grass. We'll get the right brown for the tree trunk. Okay, that looks good. And if you want, you can play around with the size of the lines and stuff like that. Now we can create something else for this scene. And you might want to build a house. We can put a house right here. We can use these lines to construct something and start filling it when we're done. So we'll create maybe a window or two. And we'll just fill them with yellow or blue. Blue would be probably better for daytime, or maybe gray. Sort of a transparent glass color. And then you can choose a brown for the door, and then for the wall something else that's brown or orange. And color the shingles. And the house needs a doorknob. Now we got a set. Now we can have something happening over here, and then we can have something else happening here. And then this right here is just more of an empty space that could be filled with something else. And we'll see what we can create here. How about a well? it's kind of like a cylinder shape. You can create like a little wood beams on the side, and then they go on up above the well, and there's a roof on top of that well. And you can use a dark grayish color or black color for the roof, and choose another brown for the wood. And you can hide this to make it appear as one board in the final render. And you can color that gray to represent stone, and then color that a darker gray to represent that there's a hole there. And so we have a set here now: a well, a house, and a tree. Let's see what it looks like rendered as a well. Okay, let's see what it looks like rendered at the house. Let's see what it looks like rendered at the tree at the edge of the house. So you can create some interesting scenes, and it's good to always save as well. We can save it as scene 1, outdoors, set, house, tree, and well, if you want to get really descriptive. And that's it. So stay tuned for more tutorials on animation, creating characters and sets, and be ready for more.